Hello, this is Mr. Stansbury. I'm going to take you through the notes on group data. At the end of this, you should be able to say I can organize data into groups and calculate important statistical data from the group data. Okay, so really just one example for this section here. Example 4. The table shows the ages of people who bought single fries from Burger King. Estimate the mean age to one decimal place. Okay, so mean is the average, right? So now it's a little different because now we have a range of ages in here. So what we got to do is created ourselves a little table to use here. So like there are 12 that are between 11 and 15. So like all 12 of those could be 11, all 12 of those could be 15. We don't know. So what we want to do is we just want to find the midpoint of this range right here. Okay, so to do that we would just simply do 11 we would do 11 plus 15 divided by 2. So we're going to find the middle of those, right? So that gives us what, 26 over 2, which is 13. So the midpoint on this one is going to be 13. So we're going to then do like what we've been doing before, 12 times 13, and write down our product, and then away we go. Okay, so halfway between 6, if we look at 11 to 15, it's just 2 up from 11 or 2 down from 15. So we'll just, instead of doing the math each time, we'll just do the math in our heads. So 16, that's going to be 18. Oops. So make that look nicer. And then 23. And if you'll notice here, we're going up by 5 each time. So times 28 times 33 times 38 and times 43. Okay, so then we'll multiply these all out and we will get our product for each one of these. Okay, so I'm going to go do that and then we'll come back and talk about what to do with it from there. Okay, so here's all our products, and then the totals for these here. The total for the midpoint isn't going to really help us much, but the total for the frequency and the total for the product, that's going to help. So let's calculate that. So what we have here is there's 134 total people surveyed or who bought single fries, and then this is the sum of all of their ages. So to find the mean age to one decimal place, we should simply take 3447 and divide it by 134, and that should give us our mean age. Okay, so there's our 3447, divide by 134, and we get 25.72, so 25.7 years is the mean age of people who buy single fries. Okay, all right, that's really all we need for group data here. So again, the big thing is find the midpoint of each of the and that's what we call the groups, the range of each group. So find the midpoint, multiply by the frequency, and then that's your product there. Okay, add up all the total frequency, add up the total product, divide, and there's your mean. Okay. All right, if you have any further questions, please feel free to ask in class. Thanks.